Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Credit Karma budget tool. Credit Karma is a free online platform that provides users with a comprehensive tool to manage their finances, including budgeting, saving, and investing. The budget tool is designed to help you track your income and expenses, set financial goals, and make informed decisions about your money. To get started, you need to create a Credit Karma account if you don't already have one. Once you have logged in, navigate to the budget section of the website or mobile app. Here you will see an overview of your current financial situation, including your income, expenses, and savings. The first step in using the budget tool is to link your financial accounts. This includes your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments. Credit Karma uses secure encryption to protect your data and will never sell your information to third parties. By linking your accounts, you will be able to see all of your financial information in one place and get a clear picture of where your money is going. Once your accounts are linked, you can start tracking your expenses. The budget tool categorizes your spending into different groups, such as housing, transportation, and food. You can also set budgets for each category and receive alerts when you go over your limits. This will help you stay on track and avoid overspending. Another key feature of the budget tool is the ability to set financial goals. You can set goals for saving, paying off debt, or building credit. Credit Karma will provide you with personalized recommendations and tips to help you achieve your goals. For example, if you want to save for a down payment on a house, the budget tool will suggest ways to reduce your expenses and increase your savings. In addition to tracking your expenses and setting financial goals, the budget tool also provides you with a credit score and report. This will give you an idea of your overall financial health and provide you with recommendations for improving your credit. To get the most out of the budget tool, it is essential to regularly review and update your information. This will ensure that your budgets and financial goals are accurate and up to date. You should also take advantage of the alerts and notifications provided by Credit Karma to stay on track and avoid financial pitfalls. In conclusion, the Credit Karma budget tool is a powerful resource for managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. By following these steps and using the tool regularly, you can take control of your money and start building a brighter financial future. Remember to stay informed, stay disciplined, and always keep your financial goals in mind.